generative AI, right? So generative AI has been here from a while, but ChatGPT, I'm sure all of you have used ChatGPT. ChatGPT was the big bang moment of generative AI. That's exactly was the point because it was able to get 100 million customers in 2 months. Uber took about 7 years to do that. And why it is exciting now is essentially generative AI refers to models which can generate text or images from past, I mean, on text and images which it has been trained on. So what OpenAI or ChatGPT did was they built this giant model which was trained on humongous data, and now this model can do a lot of things with very little fine tuning or through prompt engineering. I'll talk about those fancy terms. You can actually use this model to do a lot of things, right? And earlier it was, you had to build one model for every task. So if you're an organization and if you wanted to do sentiment analysis of an email, so you had to build so many models and it was a big nightmare to build. It was labor intensive, cost intensive, right? Now, the beauty of generative AI is there's this big model which you can now ask, this model to do whatever you want in plain English, which is called prompt engineering, by the way, fancy name. So all you're doing is asking this generative AI model to, classify a sentiment in an email, answer a question on a document. But look, unfortunately, in spite of ChatGPT being so popular, it's been banned by many organizations because of four reasons: security, unwanted uploads of things which people don't want, then there is latency, cost issue, and then there is inaccuracy. It's called hallucination, right? And but we cannot ignore that. And this is a survey from one of the large. It is going to impact 40% of the working hours of the entire humanity, right? So it is a serious stuff. You have to start looking at it. And you might say, Prem, this was good, but what does that mean to as an organization or as an individual, right? So what it essentially means, I've met a lot of customers. I'm doing 8 POCs as we speak. Everything distills down to these 8 key tasks. That's all there is to it, right? Either you're building a chatbot which can help you question and answer, you're summarizing a large document using ChatGPT or things like that, you're generating content for marketing, making it write blogs, assist in code, extract information from invoices, emails, classify emails, and then search. That's all there is to it, right? And what we do is, and there's a lot of benefit, what we do is provide a platform where you can do all of this without any coding. And there are a lot of companies who offer no code, but we are really no code. You don't need any technical knowledge.